Quick look at what an electrician earns in Togo. The average salary of an electrician in Togo is $1,930 a year. After tax, this average annual gross salary drops to $1,640, which leaves you with roughly $137 in monthly take-home pay. While average electrician pay is lower in rural parts, working in Lomé brings home about $1,930 after tax because big cities pay noticeably more. On top of that, Lomé is more expensive to live in, so these extra electrician wages do not always mean you save more money. Entry-level staff start well below these numbers, but how much does an electrician make in Togo goes up quickly once you gain basic experience. Pay usually plateaus later unless you step up, which is why earning a university degree helps you move into higher roles like project manager or site supervisor. If you add specialized skills on top of that, your electrician income will rise even further.